Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage to a fraction. Following on from the last lesson, we will now look at how to convert a percentage to a fraction. If we remember, a percentage gives a number out of 100. The word percent means per hundred. 20% means 20 out of 100. 60% means 60 out of 100. To change a percentage to a fraction, use the following rule. Divide the percentage by 100 and simplify the answer. Let's look at some examples. Change each of the following percentages to a fraction in its simplest form. Number 1, 20%. So the rule says, divide the percentage by 100 and simplify the answer. So that's 20 over 100. Now I've written 20 over 100 here, and with simplification you find the largest number that divides into the numerator and the denominator with no remainder. That number is 20. 20 into 20 goes once, 20 into 100 goes 5 times, so the answer is 1 over 5. So 20% is 1/5. 35%, that's 35 over 100. We write 35 over 100 here. The number that divides evenly into 35 and to 100 is 5. 5 into 35 goes 7. 5 into 100 goes 20. So the answer is 7 over 20. 60% is 60 over 100. 20 into 60 goes 3 times. 20 into 100 goes 5 times. That's 3 over 5, and that's the answer. 75%, the number that divides evenly into 75 and into 100 is 25. 25 divided into 75 goes 3 times. 25 divided into 100 goes 4 times, so the answer is 3 over 4, or 3/4. Now 150%, now you might be confused here, but 100% is the whole, so 150%, that's actually more than a whole, isn't it? So let's have a look. We do the same rule, 150 over 100. The number that divides evenly into 150 and into 100 is 50. 50 into 150 goes 3 times. 50 into 100 goes twice, so that's 3 over 2, which is 1.5. So 150% is 1.5 times 100. 320%, that's even larger. 320 over 100. The number that divides evenly into 320 and into 100 is 20. 20 into 320 goes 16. 20 into 100 goes 5. So that's 16 over 5. And to change that to an improper fraction is 3 1/5. So this video has looked at the percentage, and we've seen how to change the percentage to a fraction by dividing by 100. So you divide the percentage by 100 and then you simplify that fraction.